trail is going up. Ooh, look at that sign. Let me read that. Private property, United States of America. No smoking.
Is that for real? There's the guardhouse.
Yeah, finally. There's the guardhouse. Oh, yeah. Yes. Finally made it.
This is the road. Punta sa Amano. Actually, no one here.
Let's sit for a while. Check out the guardhouse that is uninhabited. There's another trail here. Look at those trees.
Yan yung malalaking original.
I wonder
Can we
where
walk
that
up the
leads.
road?
I don't know. There's a. Let's
It
try.
does not say do not enter. There's no one to stop us. It only prevents vehicles from entering. Sabi, pag harating kayo sa embassy gate, kumaliwa kayo.
Kaliwa.
So there's a trail there, right? All the way
Let's go
around the
there.
mountain.
Now this is the view of Itogon. We're leaving behind us the guardhouse of the US Embassy. And back there, of course, is Mount Santo Tomas and Mount Cabuyao. Now we're facing the area of Itogon.
The trees here are bigger.
And they're numbered.
They're numbered and they're more spaced apart. So they're probably old trees.
because Americans used to catalog the trees. That's why they're numbered.
If one dies, they
It's
know how many
immediately
to plant
replaced,
in a year.
yes. There's a trail down there.
It's going down.
So
This
let's
is the
take
one
the
going up.
trail going up.
I don't know where this goes. But the
There's that other trail.
guides said, take the left trail.
So,
That's the right trail. This is the left trail.
okay.
I just hope it's not the wrong trail.
Oh my gosh. Let me sit for a while.
I'm wondering if that road will lead up to where the treetop adventure is. The paved road going to the Bell House.
I think this is the road that's leading up to the Bell House. There are actually two more trails down there.
But that's just a trail going down. The trail you see is actually this trail just snaking.
More pine cones.
Lots of pine cones.
I can feel a sack. Oh my goodness.
Look at that view.
You can start taking pictures of the view.
It's probably leading up to the Bell House because this is the type of view that the Bell House would offer.
There's that other path.
That trail is cemented or asphalted. I'm just wondering, maybe the advice was to take the road.
We'll see where this leads. You can hear the whistling of the wind. Wow. Look at that view.
Look at that. Wolf is fine.
That's it all gone back there. I hope this trail leads us to the Bell House. But it's kind of scary. Look at that view. Oh my gosh, look at that view.
So the mountains are eroded.
That's it all gone down there.
So we are actually walking on the seldom
Taken.
seen side of John Hill.
The sun is behind us now.
West, south. It's north. Oh yes, when you see the map, we're now going up the other side of the yellow trail towards Treetop Adventure. I remember that road.
Wow, look at the fall.
Y 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Y 73 obviously got broken. No, it's 72. Here it is, the big one.
We're hoping that this path leads to the back of Bell House in the area of the Tree Adventure.
It's actually a water. It used to be a hydrant
Water line.
for our forest fires.
I can hear the sound of a vehicle down there. We're under a cloud. That's the wind. That's the sound of the wind. That's my shadow. There's a biker coming.
Nagbiking.
Hello. Good afternoon. Saan papunta doon?
Pag diretso po kayo sa Trita po siya lalabas.
Pwedeng lumabas kami doon.
Opo.
Allowed.
Basta diretso lang. Tapos meron po yung medyo na landslide.
Oo.
Landslide siya. Diretso mo lang. Pero safe naman siya. Safe pa rin siya.
So, walang separation yung path.
Hindi nagpo-port.
Hindi nagpo-fork. So, just follow the trail.
Opo.
Doon kami na. Galing ka doon?
Opo.
Umakyat ka, tapos babalik ka na. Yan.
Hindi. Doon po ako. Tapos lalabas po ako dito sa may Iloacan Road.
Yung fork
Yung
ng
trail
road doon, yung
pababa.
trail sa baba.
Opo.
Yung,
may
may nakita
guardhouse.
namin guardhouse doon. Pag dumiretso ka doon.
Diyan hay po yung labas niya.
Dyan, hey.
Opo.
So, pwede kaming
Yung
pargalitan
may
doon.
nakalagay na US Embassy.
Ah.
Tapos diretso na
Oo.
Sana po.
Kinakausap kita, dapat nire-record kita.
Ay.
So,
Yun.
hindi. Pagka, halimbawa, tinake mo yung paved road na yon, ano mangyayari?
Saan ang
Pwede
dulo
kang
na?
hulihin? Pwede kang sitahin? Pwede
Hindi
kang...
naman. Hindi ko lang kabisado kasi. Kasi
Pero-
alam kong bawal dito lang sa baba.
Bakit bawal doon sa baba? Dangerous?
Restricted area.
Restricted area. Baka mayroong bomba doon. So, gaano kalayo pa kami sa lakad? Konti na lang.
Hindi siguro abot ng 1 kilometer.
That's
Oh, sige.
reassuring.
Pero itong buong yellow trail sa bike, gaano katagal yan? Kung dire-diretso, tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung...
15 minutes lang nun.
15 minutes?
Naputulan kasi ako ng kadena kaya.
Ay, naku, kawawa ko naman. So, dapat may spare kang dala.
Kaya nga eh.
O, sige, good luck, ha?
Sige.
Nice meeting you, yung pangalan mo.
Sure, J po.
Sergey.
Sergey.
Student ka?
Oh.
Student ka?
Opo.
Sergey. Saan?
Easter po, Aviation Department.
Wow, aviation. You want to be a pilot?
Kaya
Ako si
Joseph,
Offie and Joseph.
wife ko.
Ay,
O, sige.
sige.
Ingat ka, Sergey, ha? O, sige, hiking ka. May dala-dala ka pang bike. O, ingat ka, ingat. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Be careful. Thank you.
So, that's very reassuring that we're on the right path.
Ang nangyari,
We actually took the entire
yellow
yellow trail.
Isn't that?
So that other path back there is a restricted area. Makapunta sa Scout Barrio.
Could be. But there must be a fence separating Scout Barrio from John Hill.
So 1 kilometer away. That's still a long walk. Are you perspiring? A fire hydrant.
That's why I had to get back to Wakan right away. Because his bike got broken.
Oh, another fallen tree.
Where did this
Still-
tree come from?
Still fresh. There, that up there.
Oh, yeah. Well, maybe that's what
That
they say,
branch.
there's a little landslide.
That branch came from that tree. Okay. Now we're told that there was a landslide here.
Pine trees are not actually hardwood. They're soft. They're a little soft, but they're not as pliable. That's why they break.
Actually break.
So this is probably what he was referring to. We might see,
the secret garden.
aside from that,
Look at this. Limestones.
we might see tiger again. A nice cat at the funiculare.
Limestones.
Yep. Mountain trail. So they cemented this because there's no other place to go.
Another fallen pine tree. That's supposed to be a root system of a pine tree. Look at that. Limestone path. Turning. Now we're facing the area towards the Bell House. Another water line, probably.
Yeah, I'm going to make good use of it.
Those are younger. Using it as a scratching post.
The sweat is making my back itch. It's so nice. We only
You can see that white structure up there.
Yeah, it's a John Hay house structure because of the distinctive white and
Green.
white walls and green roof.
We're under a cloud again.
Y209. We started at Y20. The first time I looked at it. I
Nice
didn't
sight.
get trees.
So this trail goes up.
Limestone. Broken limestone.
And goes down. More young trees.
Wow.
Look at that view.